Number 4, starting with A, what is meant by atomic radius? This is your definition of atomic radius. This is going to be a point on your quiz or on your test. Atomic radius is 1/2 the distance between the nuclei of two bonded identical atoms. Now, we have to look at the distance between two nuclei. We can't simply measure from one edge of the electron cloud to the other edge of the electron cloud because there actually is no edge to the electron cloud. It's just empty space. It's kind of like trying to measure the edge of the universe. There's no hard edge. There's just stuff, and then slowly there's stuff. And so that's not really an option for us. So what we do is we take two atoms of the exact same element, okay, and we bond them together. Like we'll bond two hydrogen atoms together or two oxygen atoms together. And we'll measure the distance between those nuclei in the atoms of that bonded molecule. The idea here is however large the electron cloud is for one oxygen, for example, is going to be the exact same size of the electron cloud for the other oxygen atoms. So they're going to have the same size electron cloud. So that means when you bump them together, okay, you will observe the quote-unquote edge of the electron cloud because that's where they will stop, right? That's where they'll stop, and you'll be able to observe that bond length. And so we're taking half the distance between the two nuclei because this is radius, not diameter. Okay, we're not using diameter here, using radius, so it's going to be half the distance between the two nuclei. Let's look at B. What trend is observed among atomic radii of main group elements across a period? They decrease. It goes down as you go from left to right within a period. Let's zoom out here. See if we can fit C a little bit more. Pachow. And lastly, there's going to be another quiz point and test point. How can this trend be explained? As electrons are added to the S and P sublevels, you might ask, why are we talking about the S and P sublevels? Because the original question is referring to main group elements, so we're talking about S and P sublevels. In the same energy level, in the same main energy level, because we are going across a period, okay, as we go across a period. Oh, sorry, here, right, across a period. So we're in the same main energy level. The increasing positive charge of the nucleus pulls electrons closer to the nucleus, resulting in decreasing atomic radii.